Welcome home to this beautiful property in the exclusive DC Ranch gated community. Boasting just shy of 5,000 square feet, this home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a fabulous north-south exposure. Enjoy the grassy parks, all the mountains surrounding the area, and the little DC Ranch downtown. This home is walking distance to it all. Thank you for coming, and please enjoy the tour. Thank you for joining us today. Please call me, Marnie, at Team Marnie Luxury Real Estate, 480-298-2971 for your private tour today. Thanks so much. Bye-bye for now.